Now we create a desk. Create a rectangle from the side viewport and disable these rendering options. And the height of this rectangle should be around 33. Convert this rectangle as an editable spline. First select all the points and apply corner options. Select these vertices and choose scale tool, but if scale tool is in the corner, so it's not able to scale. Change the pivot position into center. Now click and drag like this. Okay, and then you can also apply the flip tool in the flip box and delete the extra segment. Now we select this rectangle and make it 2 duplicate copy like this, and you can attach these rectangles and change the pivot position in the center. Now we create support by using line tool. Now make a duplicate copy and create a center line. And make a proper placement from the side viewport also. Okay. And attach. Now we create some more support from the front viewport. Convert to editable spline and select these segments and delete. And you can also change the distance of these vertices and apply corner options and apply flip also. Now create 2 copies. Now you can attach the support with the main frame. Right click and attach. Okay. And enable the rendering option. Create a rectangle on the top and disable these rendering options. And make them center. You can also provide roundness for these corners. And apply extrude. Now it's look like a folding desk. You can create 3 more copies of this chair. I select this and make a duplicate copy and then rotate by using rotate tool and make a duplicate copy again and rotate this. Now we create a plane or surface. Chair and desk model is complete. I hope you like this class. Now we meet in the next class. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel